Hey guys, so today we're going to forge an old rusty wrench into a tomahawk. So the wrench has an offset. This offset side has more metal to work with, so we're going to turn that side into the blade. We're just going to keep opening this up until we can roll it around. So we've got that bent over. We'll bring this side around and just make it into a spike. There we go. So round this over a little bit more on the horn. Also want to point the beard a little bit more. So we get ourselves a nice point on the beard. Now we're just going to touch up the blade a little bit. So now we start drawing out the point. So there's where we're at. Bearded tomahawk with a point. So now we're just going to smooth the top down. Just give it some character. It's got just a little bit of a curve right there. Warm it up and hammer it from this side. So you can see where the blade curves in right here. We'll hammer it up and hit it from this side and see if we can straighten it out some. There we go. Looking pretty even to me. All right, so we got the basic shape of the tomahawk forged out. I'm leaving the wrench piece on the end because I just think that is kind of a cool aesthetic. So we've got our point, we've got the blade. So now I'm going to take it to the grinding wheel, and all I'm really going to do on the grinding wheel is define the blade better. And I'm looking at removing, I don't know if I can get one on here or not, but like this little point right here, little burrs and things like that that are going to, catch your hand and make it uncomfortable. You don't want to find sharp edges from the forging process or even the grinding process. So that's the next step. We did a quick grind and a quick sand just to kind of shape it out a little bit better. Just make sure it looks the way we want it to look. Doesn't have any of the terrible sharp edges. So what we'll do next is we'll heat it up, quench it in some oil, and then we'll run it over a wire wheel and temper it down a little bit so it doesn't snap. Although I don't know that this metal is hard enough to snap. So we'll find out. All right, so there it is, blackened up afterwards. So we're gonna take it to the wire wheel and clean that piece up. So there it is, the tomahawk wrench. So not too bad. That's a good looking edge on it. Still a wrench. So 7/8. But yeah, there she be. Thank you guys for watching. The wrench knife. The wrench knife is not a knife.